Well, I was going to do this earlier, but I've been busy with the Weather Channel's Local on the 8th and No Weather Radio for the past couple of weeks, covering this major heat wave that we've been having. Well, today is July 7th, 2015, so this newspaper is about 2 weeks ago. This is our front page. This is our local newspaper that we get, Yakima Herald Republic. And as you can see on the front page headlines, it says, "You heard right, it's going to get very, very hot. Beginning Friday, Central Washington will see temperatures as high as 110 degrees, raising fire danger and health risks." Well, I'm going to put it on here, but since we've been seeing temperatures well into the triple digits over the past 2 weeks, it has been brutally hot, and I actually recorded an afternoon high of 112 about last weekend. So I'm just going to put this down here, and I'm going to open it up to show you the extended outlook of what they were talking about. And well, here's our 5-day outlook from AccuWeather. I never really pay attention to AccuWeather, but I'm just showing you what they were saying. Okay, on the 24th of June, they were saying 92 degrees with a low of 61. Not bad, not really all that hot. And then for us, and then we have 98 degrees for Thursday the 25th. Friday, that's when we had the heat advisories in effect for that day, all the way to Sunday. Then we have 109 and then 110 for Saturday and Sunday. Now, I'm not going to read the entire article. I'm just going to read maybe the first front page, the first paragraph of it, if I can get it to do here. So I'm just going to read the first paragraph. And what it says is, "In what is so far the warmest year on record for Central Washington, it's about to get even hotter. We're talking about a forecast of triple-digit temperatures for days on end. We're looking at maybe 5 or 6 days in a row in the hundreds in Yakima area," said National Weather Service forecaster Joe Solomon. "Friday's predicted to be in the upper 90s, and by Saturday it will be in the hundreds, which could potentially hang on through Wednesday of the following week. The National Weather Service is predicting highs of 106 in the Yakima and Ellensburg area and 110 in the Tri-Cities. That's a forecast of about 20 degrees above normal for late June, and it holds the potential to break records dating back to almost 70 years ago." Well, we have earlier back in June, on June 8th, we had a high of 105 degrees, which set a monthly record for the Yakima area, because we never really have hit the triple-digit mark all that much in June. That's usually until this month, which is July. But the National Weather Service was a bit conservative about their forecast, which I know they are, but that one time when I actually saw them forecasting 109 for the Yakima Valley. And then I also saw the Weather Channel's 14-day outlook, which I know is probably inaccurate. I've been told that before. About a few weeks before this heat wave actually started, I saw 107 at the 14th day on the Weather Channel's forecast, and I was like, okay, I don't think it's going to get that hot. And then, well, when it got closer, we had this. It's a picture of the sun. It says, "You heard it. You heard right. It's going to get very, very hot." But yeah, it has been very hot, and it actually also has been a bit miserable for everyone around here. Actually, it's supposed to cool down into the lower to mid 90s by this weekend, and everybody's excited about that. Actually, they're treating it as if it's a fall-like day. No joke. I mean, I've actually been telling everybody about it, that it may cool down to the lower 90s, and everybody's saying, oh, well, that's going to feel comfortable. That just shows you how bad it's been. But I know those of you from the Southwest deal with temperatures like this all the time, but we're like we're really close to the Canadian border, so we do usually see temperatures like this around this time of the year. I've seen it many times get over 110, but this is the longest lasting heat wave I've ever seen with this type of intensity.